Hey guys, this is Yos here. Welcome to my channel and my video. Today is July 10th, Friday, last day of the week. And we are going to do a price action reviews for today. And looking at our daily chart, we took this daily swing low. And now, because this market we're just consolidating, even though we have this monthly fair value gap, I would not be surprised if we take this swing high and then after that take this swing low and then kind of gradually go back to fill this monthly fair value gaps. And with that bias in mind, I was aiming for a 4-hour swing high, this and this high, which we did take out for ES. So we took out this 4-hour swing high for ES, and I was hoping that the price would continue to this daily rejection block. But we failed to do that because the market is just, price action has been really bad this week. It doesn't want to go anywhere. It just wants to consolidate, get more liquidity, get more market participants in the stock market, and then wreck one side or both. All right. So with that bias in mind, as soon as market opened, once we took this high, I was able to take a long to new week opening gaps. New week opening gaps, they act as magnets in the market. And this was layered with the midnight open. So I took this long and then I exited, took a partial once we hit this new week opening gap low, and then my full TP hit at new week opening gap high and midnight open, and I was hoping to see some rejection off of this, hopefully to 930 low, in which we did perfectly. And once we took this low, I took another long, and this time because we had taken these long participants, because there weren't that many longs in the market, I expected price to just shoot up high, break this high, and we get out of this new week opening gap zone up until this 4-hour fair value gap, and that would have conceded with this daily rejection block hitting the daily rejection block. So that was my perfect target. It still is my target, but I just don't like how price is moving, constantly getting pulled into new week opening gap. So I just decided, hey, today's not the day, and I'll be happy with small profit. I made some money, but it could have been a lot bigger if this was hit. And if we look at 30-second chart of today's price action, see how this fair value gap gets invalidated. We see how this 30-second fair value gap gets invalidated. Every fair value gap is getting invalidated instead of using it as a booster to drive price high or low. So that's a good indication of the market is going to be consolidating. So in this market, you could potentially use a scalping strategy. I have a 30-second scalping strategy that I can't fully disclose, but that's the stuff that I teach in my live stream and to my one-on-one mentorship students. But anyways, yeah, so it's pretty lame price action all week. But like expecting next week to be a lot better. So yeah, not much to do. I mean, we could take the swing high and then go back down to new week opening gap. We could take this swing low and then go back to new week opening gap low. So one strategy that you can use is once we take these lows or highs, you go short here or long here. But because our bias is long, you don't want to short, but you only want to long, right? Because your higher time frame bias is long. You want to layer that with your strategy. So ideally, once we take this short low, I would wait for my confirmation and then go long to new week opening gaps. That would be my scalping strategy today for when the market is consolidating. But anyways, hopefully you found this helpful.